Hello and hi there. Come and join me on a day in my life as a statistical science student at UCL. My name is Adlina and I am in my final year doing a bachelor's in data science. First up is my 9 a.m. morning lecture on stochastic processes. Today, we're looking into continuous time Markov chains. In the stats department, compulsory modules often host around 200 to 300 students in a single lecture theatre. But with this optional module, we get the chance to experience a more intimate and interactive class setting with smaller number of students. While waiting for my next schedule, here I am at the UCL's main library. At UCL, there are about 17 libraries all over campus, so you can always find a study spot no matter when or where you need it. My favorite is the main library. It's got that cool Harry Potter vibe that makes studying feel a bit magical. We are now at 119 Torrington Place, the home for the Statistical Science Department. Up next is my weekly meeting with my project supervisor. As a final year student, I am lucky to get hands-on experience by working on a thesis project under the guidance of experienced academic staff. My project focuses on developing a dynamic ranking method for sports. Here's a snippet of me discussing my progress and findings with my supervisor, Dr. Low. I really love these sessions as they give me a chance to hash out my ideas, troubleshoot any challenges, and really dive into a topic I'm super passionate about. It's a genuine glimpse into the world of applied statistical research. After a productive morning, here I am at the Print Room Cafe for lunch. This is one of the student union cafes run by students and they offer food and drinks at a super affordable price. This chicken biryani is my favorite thus far, and they have a bunch of halal options too, which is super inclusive for me. Next up is my tutorial session on the module Stochastic Processes I had earlier in the morning. Tutorials are broken into smaller groups where there will be a teaching assistant that does guided walkthrough of the previous week's exercises. This is a great session to consolidate your understanding of the lecture material. You can ask questions directly to the teaching assistants and get clear explanations, especially when the lecture material feels a bit overwhelming. While waiting for my next class, I had the chance to quickly catch up with my course mates post-reading week. At 3 p.m., I had a lecture on a module named Inference at Scale. After that, I head over to the student center to get some work done. Before I know it, it was already dark outside. Thank you so much everyone for joining me in my hopefully interesting day. Bye-bye!